Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. In this video, we are going to know about 5 data analyst and data science internship. So these internship are absolutely free for everyone. So if you are a fresher, you are a student, you have a gap year, you are a stay-at-home mom, you are thinking of transitioning your career to data analysis, to data science, something like that, and you are in that situation and you want to transition to data analysis or data science, this is the place for you. You can learn everything for free, and these internships are like 1 month each. So if you want to do one internship, that would take around 1 month to complete. Depending on your pace, if you can complete it in 15 to 20 days, that is also possible for these internships. So yeah, this is overall brief about the internship. So as I've said, that these are absolutely free, and the internships are majorly in the data science region. So I'm gonna be telling you everything in the next part of this video. Hope you stay tuned till that. But before we move ahead, these internship will definitely give you a job. How? Because these could be actually added in your CV. Knowing that you don't have any experience in the data analysis or data science world, but you have done certain internship for data science or data analysis role, you can add that in your resume. The resume score and AT scoring would be better than what you had before. And make sure you create your resume really ATS friendly, because that is what matters in the final interview call. And if you are not getting that one interview call, I'm going to be creating separate video for that. But before we move ahead, make sure just follow all the things that I tell you in this video. Okay, next. So this is a Skill India digital portal wherein you will find those internships that I talked about. And let's just here. Okay, so this is the one that I talked about, and for data science and data analysis world. So this is the Power BI data analyst internship, and then the first one is the data science with Python. So you will be learning data science as well as Python. Let's see the details over here. Okay, you can apply from here, and this is in the domain data science and engineering. Occupation would be data analytics, and who can do it? 10th, 12th, post graduation, graduation. The duration is 1 month. Learn Python for data science, gain skills in Python programming. For data analysis, work on real world project, data cleansing and visualization. Learn clean, process and visualize data effectively. Machine learning basics, get introduced to machine learning models and application, popular Python libraries, NumPy pandas, and everything that a data science does. So there are additional details as well wherein you can check those, and you can apply for this one. This is for 1 month and this is for free. Okay, next is Power BI data analyst internship. So you can go through this one as well. Again, this is a data analytics occupation and internship mode, again online, domain data science and engineering, duration 1 month. You can learn Power BI, create dashboard using Power BI, data integration and modeling, integrate model data from various sources for data analysis, advanced data analysis, reporting and presentation skills. So basically everything what a data analyst does, you'll be doing here. Okay, next is I'm gonna go with the basic data science internship. So this one is a bit tougher version of this. So if you are very new, you don't know anything about data analysis, go with this internship. Okay, so this is the one that I talked about again. So here you can learn a lot of data science tools. You can learn to use popular data science tools like Python and R for data analysis, data cleansing. So start with this one, this is very basic, and then go with the second one, exploratory data analysis. Learn to explore data and identify pattern using visualization techniques. Statistical analysis technique, apply basic statistical methods to draw insights from data. Hands-on machine learning experience, get started with basic machine learning algorithm and models. Career foundation in data analysis, build a strong foundation for future opportunity in data science and analytics. Adding these in your resume will surely going to be a cherry on top in your resume. Let's look at the one with the Excel mastery internship. So Excel is one such skills. If you learn it, there's high chances that you will not fail in life. Why would I say so? Excel is never going to retire. Even my manager, who earns in, like, they have the package of crore, 1 CR, 2 CR, these kind of packages that they have, they only use Excel, PowerPoint, presentation, things like that. They are in the consulting industry. So Excel is very, very powerful, even if you are not aware of these things. Okay, I'm not going to apply for this. So here you can apply and go with the process. So you can see the details, you can sign in with your mobile number, and that's it. You can become the learner of it. Duration is 1 month. lending, investment and services, payment and broking. It's not just that, you can use it for so many things. Internship mode is online. Advanced Excel skills, gain proficiency in advanced Excel functions such as VLOOKUP, pivot table, and many more. Okay, data analysis and visualization, learn how to analyze large data sets and create compelling visualization including charts and graphs to present insights effectively. Efficiency in workflow automation, VBA, problem solving abilities, and much more. So you visualize the data with Excel as well. So these are all the internships that I talked about, and there are so many others as well that you can literally go through, but I'm going to be providing you the link for the ones that we just talked about. Okay, so the link is in the description box below. If you have any queries, suggestion or doubt, write it in the comment section below. I would try to reply you all. Yeah, and please be respectful in the comment section. I have seen a lot of people trolling others on the social media. We shouldn't invade anyone's privacy. Yeah, that is it for this video. Bye bye for now until we meet next time.